If you've ever used TradingView, I'm pretty sure you know that awesome long and short position tool that they've got that lets you visualize the risk to reward ratio for any trade you're planning to take. It's actually an incredibly useful tool, but unfortunately, MetaTrader doesn't come with anything like that out of the box. But don't worry, there's a workaround I found, and it's actually really good once you set it up the right way. We're going to convert the Fibonacci retracement tool that's already built into MetaTrader to serve as our very own custom risk to reward ratio visualization tool. MetaTrader gives us full control over the fib levels of their Fibonacci retracement tool, and so with a little bit of tweaking, we can get it to show our trade entry, initial stop loss, and take profit price levels, along with the exact R multiple of the trades we take on any given price chart. Once you set this up, placing trades will get a whole lot easier because you'll know exactly where your trade entry, initial stop loss, and take profit price levels are going to be at a glance. So let me quickly show you exactly how to set this up on your price charts. Just follow along, and before you know it, in the next couple of minutes, your Fibonacci retracement tool will be fully transformed and ready to serve as a risk to reward ratio visualization tool inside MetaTrader. Here's a quick question for you. How serious are you about leveling up your trading game and becoming one of those consistently profitable Forex traders who are able to squeeze profits out of the Forex markets like a broken ATM machine? Well, if you're ready to stop spinning your wheels, guessing your way through trades, and finally cracking the code to earning consistent profits through Forex trading, then I've got something you're absolutely going to love. And guess what? It's absolutely free. I've spent months putting together a profitable Forex trading crash course, which is designed to help you go from being a struggling trader to becoming a consistently profitable Forex trader in a step-by-step manner. By the end of the course, you'll know exactly what you'll need to start and stop doing in order to join the ranks of the lucky few consistently profitable Forex traders who are able to squeeze profits out of the spot Forex market like a broken ATM machine. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to www.fxmindtricksacademy.com/blueprint to get free instant access to the crash course. It's time to start trading smarter, not harder, and finally achieve the results you've been working so hard for. Don't let this rare opportunity pass you by. Take action today and watch your trading game transform for the better. See you on the other side. Alright, first things first, locate the Fibonacci retracement tool in your toolbar and then click on it to add it to any price chart. After adding it to the charts, double-click on it and select it, and then right-click it and select Properties. Now, here's where the magic happens. You're going to see a list of levels on the left and descriptions with numbers like 0.0, 23.6, 38.2, 50.0, and so on the right. We're going to modify these levels and their descriptions to display risk to reward ratios instead of the default Fibonacci retracement levels. So go ahead and delete all of them and then add the following custom levels and descriptions. The level with the number 0 will now become your initial stop loss price level indicator. The level with the number 1 will now become your trade entry price point indicator, while the level with the number 2 will now become your 1-hour take profit price level indicator. In the same vein, the level with the number 3 will now become your 2-hour take profit price level indicator. You can also customize the labels of the levels to display descriptions like initial stop loss level, trade entry price level, 1-hour take profit price level, 2-hour take profit price level, and so on. That way, when you drag this tool onto your chart, you instantly see exactly where your take profit levels should be based on your trade setup's entry and stop loss levels. And if you would like the Fibonacci retracement tool to display the exact prices of each one of these levels, make sure to add the % and $sign in the description of the levels with no space in between them. Once you've properly configured the tool, click on the OK button to save your changes. From now on, whenever you're about to take a trade, just drag the modified Fibonacci retracement tool from your trade setup's entry price level to its stop loss price level, and it will automatically show you where your 1:1, 1:2, or 1:3 profit target price levels are going to be. No more guessing or stressing mental math. Now that we've got that sorted, let's move on to placing our very first trade following the advanced trend trading strategies rules in this sample simulation. This is where the fun really begins.